Hi, this is Divyan Patel, the owner of Cold Stone Creamery here at Murabella. I just want all our customers to know that when you walk into a Cold Stone Creamery, it is all fresh, made-in-store products. When I say fresh, it's not gimmicks where you hear, oh, we have only 2 or 3 or 4 flavors. All the ice cream is made in the ice cream batch freezer. Everything is made fresh every day. Our freezers and our coolers are very small. That forces us to make fresh ice cream. We serve almost 35 pans a night. We make 35 pans every day. All your ingredients that go into the ice cream are also fresh ingredients. Cake batter, you talk about mint, you talk about coffee. Actual coffee granules go into your coffee ice cream. When it comes to our waffles, we make waffles every day. The waffle mix is prepared in the store, fresh, and it is made right in the store. So when you walk into a Cold Stone, remember your ice cream cakes are also made every day in store. They're made fresh. They're decorated in store every day. And this is a promise that we give our kids who work at the Cold Stone. Get a complete 2-week training before they start off. Every day they weigh ice cream when they start their shift to make sure the right amount of ice cream is pulled. When they make or build your ice cream cakes, 2.2 pounds of ice cream is used in each of your large round cakes. Smaller rounds also are weighed with the right amount of ice cream, ingredients, products, whatever is included in there, and then they're put into our batch, into our blast, and after which they're decorated, freshly decorated cakes every day. So make sure you come into our Cold Stone Creamery here at Murabella, or any Cold Stone that you see around the nation. You will be guaranteed fresh products that are made in store every day. Be safe, and thank you.